On the A59 in Düsseldorf, heading towards Leverkusen, every detail matters. Traffic, timing, temperature, and precision all come together on one demanding job site. For this application, the Dynapac SD2500CS PROTAC was used to place SMA 8LA at around 160 degrees Celsius. At the same time, a C60 emulsion was applied with a spraying amount of 0.25 kilograms per square meter, an average emulsion temperature of 75 degrees. The strength of the PROTAC is its integrated spray paving concept. Spraying and paving are combined in one single operation, creating the bond between layers directly before the asphalt is placed. At the center of the machine is the insulated 2,100-liter emulsion tank. Its position supports a clear 360-degree view for the operator, while the heating system keeps the emulsion at the right temperature for consistent quality throughout the job. The spray system is built for precision. Depending on the configuration, the PROTAC works with 25 spray nozzles in the standard version, or 27 nozzles in the wider version, with a spray width of up to 7 meters. The system can cover a spraying range from 0.2 to 1.6 kilograms per square meter, giving the crew the flexibility to match the exact requirements of the surface. With a 120-degree spray cone, 3 spraying segments, adjustable spray bars, and automatic offset, the emulsion is applied evenly across the working width. This helps create a uniform tack coat and a strong connection between the existing surface and the new asphalt layer. On a motorway project like this, efficiency is not just about speed, it is about doing every step at the right moment, with control and repeatability. Here on the A59, the SD2500CS PROTAC shows what modern paving can deliver: precise spraying, reliable bonding, efficient operation, and a high-quality road surface built to last.